flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Before we get started, if you hear any background noise, the air conditioner is on, so that's the noise that you guys are hearing. But for today's video, I'm just going to be organizing my lip gloss inventory. So I do sell lip gloss. I think I did maybe 1 or 2 videos on my channel, but I do sell lip gloss. I do have an Instagram page. I will link below. I have a few lip glosses on there, but I will be making more. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and organize my inventory. I bought this container from Walmart yesterday. So I bought that from Walmart. And then I have a few things over here. This is some butter vanilla flavoring. I do use this in my lip glosses. I also use this in my candied grapes and also candied apples. I do make candy apples and candied grapes and whatever else you desire. But this is not a video about candy apples. So yeah, all this stuff up here is what I use for that business, but I do use this in my lip gloss business as well. And I purchased these little containers from the dollar store. They were just $1, so I have 4 of these. So we will be going through that. But these are my thank you stickers. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, these are my thank you stickers. They came from Walmart. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started organizing. I don't have everything, so yeah, I think so. But at the very end of this video, I'm going to show you guys everything that I'll show you how everything looks after I get done. So yeah, I have my labels. These are shipping labels. I ordered these from from Amazon, and they come 2 to a sheet, I think. Yeah, so it's like half and half. So order these from Amazon. If you guys are looking for some shipping labels, I ordered these from well, they come from Amazon, but the brand is Online Labels. 100 sheets, 200 labels. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna put that on the, I'm telling y'all, I'm having a hard time. I have stuff everywhere in my room, so excuse my room. So I also have some pink bubble mailers. I have more somewhere. Alright, so here we go. We have pink bubble mailers. And I also have organza bags. These are pink as well. So yeah. I love pink, if you guys can't tell, but I love pink. And then I have some white business cards. They are the matte kind. It says Avery, but I got them from Amazon. You can also get this from Walmart as well. And then these are my shipping labels. I actually need to try to print one to actually see how it'll look. So I will be doing that later today. So yeah, these are, I got these both from Amazon, but you can get them from Walmart. So I have stuff in these containers. Oh yeah, these are my fragile stickers. So I got these from Amazon. And then this is my lip gloss base. I got this from TKB Trading. You can also order this off of Amazon. This is how you would make your lip gloss. This is just the lip gloss base. So I have a few of these. And oh, I do make bangles as well. I make bangles as well. So if you're interested, I will link my Instagram page below. I have a website, but it's down at the moment because I'm trying to get more things in order. So yeah, there's
just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good
bam, your lip gloss will be in there, remember. And once you get everything situated, you put your use your tube that you're gonna use, and then you just press your gloss down in there. So yeah, these are syringes.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, all makes sense now. Give it a good, put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no day.
Okay, y'all, so I am done sort of organizing my lip gloss inventory. I'm gonna take this off. I'll take it off after the video. Okay, so here's the top drawer. So I just have my pigments in this one, in this little container. I'll probably try to find a smaller one so I can put one right here and then another one right here, so like half of this size. But I just have my pigment colors in here. I have this cosmetic glitter. It does not go on your lips when I make lip gloss. I have more pigments there. I use these popsicle sticks to dip out pigment, so there's more popsicle sticks, just different colors. I have my fragile stickers in here. And then back here, I just have all of my lip gloss base, which this is almost gone. So we're gonna make some lip gloss. I don't know if we would do it today, but we may do it this week. I need to make more lip gloss anyway. So we have all of our bases, our lip gloss bases back there. Right here is our pipettes. I use this to just, when I'm pouring my flavorings in. If I'm using a bigger bottle of flavoring, I use this, but if I'm using like the little drams, like these are the little drams, then I really don't use that. I might pour, I don't know, it just depends on how much lip gloss I'm making. And then these are my thank you stickers. They're really cute, but these are the different drams. I have cotton candy, like the flavoring, tropical punch. There's coconut in there, I think. Second drawer, I have my lip gloss tubes right here. I have the stoppers. I'm gonna get another, I'm gonna look for another little smaller container. I have the stoppers, and then you have a tops here. And these are my syringes. These are what I clean my these are my brushes. I clean my syringes with those. And in here I do have some lip glosses. I've made, this is called Christine. It's purple. It's in memory of my grandmother who passed away from pancreatic cancer. This is called Island Girl. It has a kiwi strawberry flavoring. Island Girl. This is called Georgia Peach. So yeah, some of these have sparkles, some do not. You can get it without sparkles, you can get it with sparkles. This is called Paris. This is my favorite lip gloss. It's just a clear lip gloss, and it has like cosmetic approved glitter in it. So yeah, so this has got to be my favorite gloss. And then this is just a regular gloss, but it's scented with peppermint oil, so it will give you like a tingling feeling when you put it on your lips. So yeah, I think this is my favorite as far as designed looking oil. But lip gloss, but these are the cosmetic glitter that I put in there, and the ones that I showed y'all, it does not come out on your lips. Trust me, I'll put some on and show you. This will be mine. But yeah, that one and Paris is my absolute favorite. So yeah, so that is all that I have in that drawer. Like I said, I'll get more stuff so I can make it a little better. And then down here I just have my bubble mailers, which are pink, favorite color. And I have my organza bag, pink as well. And then right here I have my glossy clear address labels, which I'm gonna use those for my lip gloss labels. And these are my business cards. And then these are my shipping labels. And then right here I also make bangles, so I'm gonna be actually buying more charms, kind of bigger charms. And then these hooks. I don't like them because they have like a split. They're like split rings. But I don't like them because they come off. So I'm gonna be revamping that up as well. So yeah, that is it for my lip gloss business. As far as like organizing it the best way that I can. If I decide to get more things, I'll get another one. But yeah, this is it. Let me try on this lip gloss so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna keep this one. So hold on just a second. Okay, so here's the lip gloss, y'all. It is, hopefully y'all can see that. But yeah, so we're gonna put some on. These are not supposed to come out like this little cosmetic jewelry, but we're gonna see. Sometimes I can see it on the, it may come out, I don't know, let's see. Y'all, I'm looking at myself, so I'm just trying to. So let me know if y'all see any of that jewelry. So I don't see any the cosmetic like jewelry, but this is the gloss. So I think it's really cute. But yeah, that is just, anyways, that is the peppermint infused lip gloss. It's just clear. So yeah, that is the end of this video. As far as me organizing my lip gloss, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.